Hello and welcome to another update video on XLM. I was asked by some of you guys on our Discord server if I could make another video on this chart. And yeah, I thought we'll break it down together here on YouTube because the price has formed so far only 3 waves up. I mean, there are some coins, that have formed 5 waves up from the swing low here in September. XLM has only formed 3 waves to the upside so far. So the question is, what does it mean? Can we still get the 5th wave up? And again, we don't need technically 5 waves for the market to go higher. But the main problem that we have with a chart that's not forming 5 waves is that we just don't have the confirmation. And it just looks so weak at the moment in the very short term, yeah. I mean, this support area here remains relevant around 34 cents to 38 cents. It's still relevant, we haven't broken below any critical support levels. And at the moment, it's just a 3-wave move up. And we haven't broken above the previous high there at 41.3 cents. So what can I say? We are still stuck here below resistance, yeah. But we are also holding above support, above our first support level. So it means really it would be ideal to get maybe over the coming sessions this additional high. The problem is some coins have already done that, and clearly XLM hasn't managed to do that, which indicates some short-term weakness is around here. But I don't want to rule it out. So the micro support area for an internal pullback is between 37 cents and 38.7. I can remove the upper section that we actually don't need anymore. It's really important that we now hold this area. The good news is the pullback really does look like a 3-wave move so far. So it does look like a corrective pullback, which could lead to another breakout to the upside. The move to the upside, if we get a 5th wave, should form an ABC structure. And ideally should reach the area around the 61.8 fib, I would say probably at least, maybe even the 78.6 fib. So that would be an ideal target for a 5th wave. We'll see if we get there in the area around 42 cents and 43.6 cents. Once we have 5 waves, we can watch for the wave 2 pullback. But it doesn't fully align with some other charts that I'm watching, like, for example, Sui possibly formed 5 waves, Pengu possibly formed 5 waves. So just be a bit flexible here, but that should give you a good overview of the relevant levels. I'm not highly confident because we're still stuck in the range here, yeah. But I'm obviously watching for breakout signals. It's still holding quite well, but this correction has, now again, it's just dragging, it's just getting quite boring here in the sideways range. But soon we should see a breakout, even if it's to the downside. But, well, 34.3 cents remains our main support here for this 4th wave correction, which started on the 14th of July. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you also follow us on X for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. I will post the link into our comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.